Jack boys, hunger pains. Gangsters, you know the lanes. The roads you choose, the avenue, self-explanatory. These are my stories of glory days. I'm just in the days in a maze. Watching out for the middleman, you know the phrase. I'm on stage with the 12 gauge. Riot pump, you know me. Look out, homie, you can ask my homies. No doubt about it, I'm at the end. I'm tired of who's your friend, who's your enemy. Hustlers take all in. I'm all in the game, sequence. Plus the format, violated the process. The protocol, the gangster plan. The movies, the heists, the thrillers, the themes. You know the scenes, the teams. You never free up. You know the system, it always groups up with glee clout. You know the glitches. Watch out for the bitches, man. They always gonna blow up their nose. Private Call of Duty. You know me, get rich or die trying. Watch out, homie. I'm in the line of fire. I don't know about you, that's my desire. I like to get higher, that's my third eye, multiplier. See, I changed the frequency. I told you, I'm all way in, no way out. I'm still here. I told you, these are gangster films, gangster movies, man, gangster lyrics. Black on black crime, black family, black mafia, black Wall Street. I told you, we still out in the streets, we still gotta eat. Who compares to fierce competition? They can't feed the future purpose. I told you, better have a better purpose, a better chance. Are we there yet? No way to dance. Looking out for avatars on the beach, man. They say aliens and Martians are trying to stay in space. I'm just trying to tell you, I'm from a different galaxy, a different universe. I'm thirsty, I'm hungry too. I like man versus food, what you wanna do? I got to get back, me and my crew. 1228th Street, niggas have the blue. I told you, leave you with the flu. We give you a shot like it's COVID. Now you got the vaccination, now you're on your way. At the street notes, the street moments, weigh it up. The body on the body counts, you know the kings on the avenue. You never had a clue.